Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your workout isn't appearing in the Runna app, it's usually caused by a sync issue, connection problem, or incorrect account setup. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed in just few minutes. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the workout not showing issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why your workout isn't showing. So common causes include internet turned off after the run, watch or app not synced, logged into the wrong account, permissions not granted, or app glitch or outdated version. So most missing workouts are sync related, okay? So check the internet connection, so make sure your phone has internet. So open the Runna app, wait for a few seconds for syncing. Workouts often appear automatically. You can also, if you used a watch, okay, open the watch's companion app. Okay, for example, Apple Watch has Apple Health, Fitbit has Fitbit app. So pull down to sync the device, open the Runna app again. The workout should appear after syncing. Okay, you can also restart the Runna app as whole. Okay, so close the Runna app completely and reopen the app. Okay, wait for the dashboard to load. This refreshes the sync. Okay, you can also check the correct account. So open Runna, go to profile or settings, confirm that your email or login method are correct. So make sure it's the accounts used during the workouts. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.